My karaoke name is Benny the Kid.
Are you ready?
Ready? My dollar store shield is all messed up. To the right, got no one, just this here night. Backstab in the night, 'cause it's TNT. I've got my dice, TNT, fire and ice, TNT. I'm a dwarven road, TNT. This trouble is slow. Hold on, I gotta roll it. Oh, shit. Okay. Robin Hood with unpaid tavern town. Dragon Slayer #1. You understand? So lock up your treasure, lock up your gold, lock your secret doors since you're ready to roll. The magic's back in town. Don't you mess me around, 'cause it's TNT. I've got my dice, TNT, fire and ice, TNT. I'm a dwarven road, TNT. It's traveling slow. I'm messing up my own lyrics really badly. What did I roll? What did I roll? TNT! 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 I've got my dice! TNT! Through fire and ice! TNT! Dwarven rogue! TNT! The trouble is I rolled a 10, it's perfectly average. What is it? 13, that's okay, I guess. Woo! Thank you, I really appreciate it.